All right, we're gonna go for a fun little ride here in a 1967 Camaro Rally Sport. Rally Sports are cool, man. They got those hideaway headlights. In 1967, they were electric, so they weren't vacuum operated. A little easier to keep them working properly. But everything works on the car like that, and it's got a lot of upgrades too. So I don't know if you'd call it a resto mod, but it's got a ZZ383 Chevy crate motor, 425 horsepower. It's got a power steering, power brakes, 5-speed Tremec transmission, 373 Posi-Traction. So it's kind of just made to be able to drive, get on the freeway with it, and things got plenty of power. It's nice to have air conditioning and all that too, you know. That's good. Third gear. Yeah, nice to have a 5-speed because you can actually drive the car. With that 383 Posi-Traction differential, it gives you the best of both worlds. You got some off-the-line power and you got some top end. But this has a factory gauge package, tilt steering wheel. I mean, it's got everything you'd want. It's an old school radio, but it actually sounds good. It's a knobber radio, so they didn't cut the dash or anything. They got some pretty good radios out nowadays. So you want to upgrade that a little bit to maybe custom auto sound with the Bluetooth, but it works good. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, here's our little walk around with our 1967 Camaro Rally Sport. Really cool car. This one's finished in Bolero Red. It's got some Boyd Coddington 17-inch wheels on there. Lots of upgrades mechanically. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes. It's got a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission. It has a ZZ383 motor from a Chevrolet. It's a crate motor. 425 horsepower. That's plenty to get you down the road, but reliable, you know, something you can just get in and drive, fires right up. It's got air conditioning, tilt wheel. It's got the deluxe interior. It's got that Rally Sport stripe up front, which is cool, with the hideaway lights, a little spoiler on the bottom. You can put one on the back too. A lot of guys like to put them on the back. I think they look good that way. That's something else you could do. These cars are a canvas, so you make them the way you want. Change the wheels, change the color, change the interior, whatever you want to do. But this one has the factory gauge package. That's also pretty neat. It's got the clock, actually works. All the gauges work. It was a factory air car from the looks of it, but it's got a modern compressor now. But original steering wheel, tilt steering column, old school radio that sounds actually really good. It's got an amp and some nice speakers in it. But the deluxe interior is the interior with the white stripes. And they have a slightly different door panel. A little more deluxe. Good looking car. Runs great, drives great. Ready to get on the road and go with this one. All right, here's the power plant in the Camaro. Looks nice and pretty. Like I said, it's a ZZ4 383 aluminum heads. It's got the Edelbrock kit on there, Edelbrock polished intake, Edelbrock carburetor. Got some ball milled aluminum accessories on there, MSD distributor, aluminum radiator, all the good stuff. Remote reservoir right there. Power disc brakes, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Also has a tubular control arm, so the front suspension is done with a bigger sway bar. Car handles and drives really good. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that, man. 425 horsepower right out of the crate. Little roller motors. They got roller rockers, roller cam, less friction. Walk around the back. It's got a nice exhaust system on it all the way out the back. It wraps good. Yeah, sounds cool, man. I'll show you the headlights too. The Rally Sport has these hideaway headlights, which I think are really cool. You can put them on a regular Camaro. You got to change the whole grille. Look at that. Open and close. Pretty cool, man. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, in the city of Simi Valley, California. Hopefully it's nice and sunny like it is today when you come out and visit us. My phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.